Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in health insurance with Blue Cross Blue Shield, full guide step by step clearly. Investing in health insurance with Blue Cross Blue Shield is a smart decision for your well-being. Begin by researching your specific health needs and financial situation. Understand the different types of plans Blue Cross Blue Shield offers. Visit the official Blue Cross Blue Shield website to explore available options. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Use the plan comparison tool to evaluate coverage options side by side. Pay attention to premiums, deductibles, and out-of-pocket maximums. Consider the specific benefits each plan provides, such as preventive care and prescription drug coverage. Check the network of healthcare providers affiliated with each plan. If needed, find a local agent who can assist you in navigating your choices. Prepare necessary documents, such as proof of income and personal identification. Start the application process online or through your local Blue Cross Blue Shield office. Fill in your personal information accurately and completely. Choose the plan that best meets your healthcare needs and financial capabilities. Review your application to ensure all information is correct before submission. Submit your application and wait for confirmation from Blue Cross Blue Shield. Once approved, familiarize yourself with the specifics of your new plan. Consider setting up automatic payments for your premiums. Make a list of healthcare providers and facilities in your plan's network. Schedule routine checkups and preventive services to maximize your plan's benefits. Keep your policy documents in a safe place for future reference. Stay informed about any changes or updates to your health insurance plan. Regularly assess your healthcare needs and adjust your policy if necessary. By following these steps, you'll make a well-informed investment in your health insurance with Blue Cross Blue Shield. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.